Everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a core concept. See this on the right? This is where it all starts. Now, let's pull it all together. And that's the breakthrough. Thanks for watching. I just found 5 backdoors in a secure Laravel app. Let me show you something. A dashboard says secure, your database says otherwise. "3 a.m. Your phone rings. 50,000 user records leak." Vulnerability number 1, mass assignment. The fillable array protects your model. Legitimate data flows in safely, but a nested array can bypass it. Your fillable guard just got bypassed. Watch this exploit in real time. I'm sending a normal-looking post request, and I'm now admin. Regularly use it to admin one request. Here's the vulnerable code. Change this one line, and you're protected. Let me show you the damage. A malicious packet is sent. It escalates privilege in real time. One request. Full admin access. Not this kind of cookie, this kind. Serialization attacks. Silent, deadly, completely overlooked. 2 ways to handle this. On the left, unslee is a danger. On the right, JSON decode is secure. Always use JSON for user data. If you must serialize, lightless sectia classes. Magic methods aren't always magic. The once if lookup methods are vulnerable. An attacker sends a malicious cookie which unserializes and triggers the magic methods. System optimized. Automatically. Your routes look protected, right? But what about the routes you forgot to protect? Order matters. Here's the middleware stack. It runs top to bottom, but custom auth is after cookies. That's a problem. This gap lets unauthenticated requests slip through. Malicious requests can bypass our checks. Fixed. Always prioritize security. Let's audit your routes right now. This command will expose every unprotected route in your app. Found your backdoor. One innocent query seems harmless, but watch. It explodes into 50+ queries. This fires separate queries for relationships. N+1 and leaks data into response. It's a data leak. Polymorphic relationships. Flexible. Here's vulnerability. A permission check on the parent, but not the relationship. This allows an exploit, bypassing access control. Always validate the polymorphic type and the parent resource. Global scopes protect your data, right? On relationship method. Your entire multi-tenant security gone. Want to see something scary? Oh, one environment variable. Your entire infrastructure exposed. Your APP key is this important. It's used to encrypt all your session data. A weak or default key is a disaster. Attackers can forge sessions and tamper with cookies. Now, 5 vulnerabilities, 1 solution. Audit your app today. Your users are counting on you. I made a free security audit checklist for you. Link in description.